For panel cleaning, you will need the following tools. First, tilt the cleaning device to insert the drive disc. Then insert the drive disc and twist it until it engages. After that, attach the cleaning pad and the abrasive cleaning grit to the drive disc. Set the device upright again. Place 2 additional weights on the cleaning device. Afterwards, connect the water hose and electricity. Press the red switch to adjust the handle to the desired height. Turn on the water at the hose holder. To turn on the cleaning device, the central button and one of the handles on the right or left must be pressed simultaneously. Clean the panel by slowly guiding the cleaning device. Stubborn concrete residue should be removed with the concrete scraper before cleaning. Different abrasive cleaning grits are used depending on the degree of soiling. Note the information above. The abrasive cleaning grits can be easily replaced by tilting the cleaning device. After cleaning, remove the additional weights and put the cleaning device away. At the end, scrape off the panel surface with the rubber scraper. After cleaning, the alkus panel continues to ensure smooth concrete surfaces.